Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson 60. My name is Professor Robert, and in today's lesson, you will learn multiplication of binomials. Now, we already have our first example here. Multiplication of binomials means binomials must be multiplied together, and we do that using the distributive method. And that means you multiply every element in the first expression by every element in the next expression. So x will be multiplied by x, and this will give us x squared. Then x is multiplied by y to give us plus xy, and then y is multiplied by x and to give us xy. And then y is multiplied by y to give us y squared. So since these two are similar, this expression then becomes x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. And that will be our answer. Okay, let's try another example. Two. Let's suppose we are given x plus 2 and to be multiplied by x plus 2. Well, again here, every element in the first expression is multiplied by every element in the next expression. So x times x will give us x squared. Then x times 2 will give us 2x. And then 2 times x will give us another 2x. And then 2 times 2 will give us 4. And since these two are similar, our final answer becomes x squared plus 4x plus 4. And that becomes our final answer. All right? Well, if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. And see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.